How to urlencode a query string in Python. I am trying to urlencode the string before I submit.
You need to pass your parameters into urlencode as either a mapping, dict, or a sequence of two tuples, like Python 3 or above. Use urllib.parse.urlencode. Note that this does not do URL encoding in the commonly used sense. Look at the output. For that, use urllib.parse.quote_plus.
Python 2. What you're looking for is urllib.quote_plus. Python 3. In Python 3, the urllib package has been broken into smaller components. You'll use urllib.parse.quote_plus. Note the parse child module.
Try request instead of urllib and you don't need to bother with urlencode. Edit. If you need ordered name value pairs or multiple values for a name, then set params like so. Instead of using a dictionary.
Context. Python, version 2.7.2. Problem. You want to generate a urlencoded query string. You have a dictionary or object containing the name-value pairs. You want to be able to control the output ordering of the name-value pairs. Solution. urllib.urlencode, urllib.quote_plus. Pitfalls. Dictionary output arbitrary ordering of name-value pairs. See also, why is Python ordering my dictionary like so? See also, why is the order in dictionaries and sets arbitrary? Handling cases when you do not care about the ordering of the name-value pairs. Handling cases when you do care about the ordering of the name-value pairs. Handling cases where a single name needs to appear more than once in the set of all name-value pairs. Example. The following is a complete solution, including how to deal with some pitfalls.